Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Let's watch what's in my first aid kit. First aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person with either a minor or serious illness or injury, with care provided to preserve life, prevent the condition from worsening, or to promote recovery until medical services arrive. So, first aid kits help you handle the medical emergencies as quickly as possible. Let's watch the items and their uses. This is cotton balls used in medical field, including cleaning out wounds with hydrogen peroxide or iodine. And in my kit, there are two types of Vicks Vapor Rub for kid and adult too. That's relieving minor throat irritation and cough. This elastic bandage puts gentle, even pressure on this tissue around an injury to decrease pain and swelling. These nasal drops are generally clean your child's nose. Adult syrup is an analgesic and antipyretic for kids. Panadol and Fudol for the relief mild to moderate pains and reduce the fever. This Dettol solution is effective, concentrated antiseptic solution that kills bacteria. This one is thermometer, which measures the body temperature. This specific ointment is treated for the bacteria-infected traumatic skin. It's a bandage holding dressing in a place over wound. This 22 roll of gauze found in our first aid kits is used to guard or cushion a wound, absorb fluids, and apply ointment. It allows the fluid to absorb into the fibers and away from the skin. Scissors are used to cut the bandages, dressing, and tape to save. This specific Unani medicine called Subsum is lowering your muscle pains. This alcohol pads protect the body from the potentially harmful germs when infection are administered. This is the pad of mask for the adults and kids too. Then this for the nebulizational purpose, nebulizational mask. This allows the medicine to enter the lungs directly. And just a pocket tissue. As a mother, it is necessary to have a first aid kit, especially when you have kids or elderly people at home. So, stay healthy and stay safe.